Ever wonder why your coffee sometimes tastes flat or off? The secret to a truly satisfying cup often starts with the water you use. The Hamilton Beach replacement charcoal water filters tackle this head-on by removing impurities like calcium, lime, chlorine, and unwanted odors. Using activated charcoal made from clean coconut husks, these filters transform ordinary tap water into the perfect base for rich, flavorful coffee. I've been using these filters with my Hamilton Beach coffee maker for months now, and the difference is clear. The micromesh material keeps the charcoal firmly inside the filter, preventing any clogging or sediment buildup. This means your coffee maker runs smoothly, and every cup tastes consistently fresh. Plus, the ultra-fine charcoal granules maximize filtration by increasing the surface area that contacts the water, so no impurities slip through. It's a simple upgrade that makes a noticeable impact. Replacing the filter couldn't be easier. With a convenient pull-top cap, swapping out the old filter takes seconds. For the best results, change it every 60 brew cycles, or about every 2 months. This routine ensures your coffee stays delicious and your machine stays clean. If you're someone who values a great cup of coffee but doesn't want to fuss with complicated maintenance, this is worth a look. One happy customer shared their experience, saying they returned to Hamilton Beach after trying other brands and loved how this coffee maker, paired with the charcoal filter, keeps coffee hot and fresh. They set it to brew automatically in the morning, waking up to the inviting aroma without any hassle. That's the kind of convenience and quality that makes mornings better. If you're ready to enjoy richer, cleaner coffee without changing your routine, the Hamilton Beach replacement charcoal water filters are a smart choice. They fit most Hamilton Beach coffee makers, both new and old, so you don't have to worry about compatibility. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your daily brew and taste the difference for yourself.